Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the coral boat in the latest Visit update. We'll just head over to the Pirate Cove, and once you're there, just go straight to the shop area. This one. Just go over here. And then next, just tap on the NPC, tap on Open Shop, and like this, you will see the coral boat available for purchase, and the price is 25,000 doubloons. This one. And if you are wondering how to get doubloons, you can earn them by completing daily quests in the game, like this. Just complete the daily quest. Just keep doing your dailies, and you will collect enough over time. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can get the coral boots in Fits It. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.